In this section, we will delve into the world of logical functions in Excel. Logical functions are powerful tools that allow you to perform calculations, make decisions, and analyze data based on logical conditions. They enable you to evaluate whether a statement is true or false and perform different actions accordingly. Logical functions are essential in automating tasks, creating dynamic reports, and extracting valuable insights from your data. Now, let us explore some commonly used logical functions in Excel and understand how they can be applied in different scenarios. The if function. The if function is one of the fundamental logical functions in Excel. It allows you to test a condition and return one value if the condition is true, and another value if the condition is false. The syntax of the if function is on your screen. Let us say you want to determine if the profit from selling a product is greater than the shipping cost. You can use the if function like here. If the profit is $500 and the shipping cost is $200, the formula will evaluate to profitable. However, if the profit is $300 and the shipping cost is $400, it will evaluate to non-profitable. The if function is quite versatile and can be combined with other functions and nested to handle more complex conditions. Now, let us move on to the next function, that is the IFERROR function. The IFERROR function is designed to handle errors in Excel formulas and calculations. It allows you to specify a value to be displayed if an error occurs in a particular formula. The syntax of the IFERROR function is on your screen. Let us consider the scenario where you divide the sales by the order quantity to calculate sales per order. But if the order quantity is 0, it would result in a div error. To handle this, you can use the IFERROR function. Here it is on your screen. If the sales are $1,000 and order quantity is 0, the formula will return 0 instead of the error. The IFERROR function is especially useful when dealing with large data sets or complex calculations where errors can occur. Now, moving forward, we will explore the next logical function, that is COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function allows you to count the number of cells within a range that meet a specific criterion. It helps you count occurrences based on a condition. The syntax of the COUNTIF function is on your screen. If you want to count the number of products that have a profit greater than 0, you can use the COUNTIF function like here. If there are 10 products and 6 of them have a profit greater than 0, the formula will return the value 6. The COUNTIF function is useful for analyzing data and generating summary reports based on specific conditions. Now let us move on to the next logical function, the SUMIF function. The SUMIF function allows you to sum the values in a range that meet a specific criterion. It helps you calculate the sum based on a condition. The syntax of the SUMIF function is on your screen. If you want to calculate the net total profit for products with positive profits, you can use the SUMIF function like here. Suppose the profits for different products are $1,000, $500, minus $200, $800. The formula will sum the positive profits, that is $1,000, $500, and $800 and return the total profit of $2,300. The SUMIF function is valuable when you need to analyze data and calculate totals based on specific conditions. Now, let us move forward to the next function, the average if function. The average if function allows you to calculate the average of values in a range that meet a specific criterion. It helps you find the average based on a condition. The syntax of the average if function is on your screen. If you want to find the average sales for products with sales greater than 500, you can use the average if function like here. Suppose the sales for different products are $1,000, $600, $800, and $400. The formula will calculate the average of the sales that are greater than 500, that is $1,600 and $800, and return the average value of $800. By understanding and mastering these logical functions in Excel, you gain the ability to efficiently analyze data, make informed decisions, and automate complex calculations. These practical examples highlight the usefulness of logical functions in various scenarios.